Today, ASSA ABLOY released its second interim report in 2024. Nico, could you please summarize the report for us?
I can do that for you, Bjorn. It was a good quarter with a top line of 38 billion SEK, 10% up. Because of continued challenges on the residential market, we posted a negative organic growth of -1%. But then we overcompensated that in a very strong way with growth through acquisitions of net 11%. And I would say very good execution with a bottom line EBIT margin of 16% and an EBIT in absolute value north of 6 billion SEK, record EBIT. I think also very good cash generation with a cash conversion rate of 107%. And if you look in the different growth drivers, very happy with the results there. We have seen our electromechanical business in the geographical divisions growing 14%, so delivering on the ambition to move from mechanical to electromechanical and digital. We have seen high single-digit service growth in entrance systems, also there delivering on the ambition. And if you look at emerging markets, we were growing 16% if we exclude China. So also there good performance. So overall, very happy with the result of the quarter.
Indeed, the M&A activity is a clear theme in this quarter. How is the current pipeline looking like, and how long can ASSA ABLOY continue to acquire?
As you know, we acquired 8 companies this quarter, 11 year to date. So we continue the high acquisition pace. We are confident that more acquisitions will follow in the coming quarters. And of course, let's see if we can break the record for the third year in a row in number of companies acquired. But we have a good pipeline. Like I always say, Bjorn, I'm happy but not satisfied. We can of course always do more, but we have identified more than 900 potential acquisition targets. Obviously, we are not talking to all of them, but we are talking to many of them. So we are confident that we can continue that strategy for many quarters and many years to come.
Very good. The organic growth was, as you mentioned, slightly down in this quarter. How does it look like for the second half of the year? What are the drivers for the organic on the organic side?
Yeah, like I also mentioned in the call, we still see good momentum on the non-residential side. Perhaps not as hot anymore as 18 months ago, but still on a very good level in general in the world. I think industrial GDP is quite okay on the entrance systems side. Where the loading dock business is perhaps a bit more challenging for the quarters to come. But then on the residential side, we believe we have bottomed out definitely in North America. And where in North America we should start to see improvement. We see already improvement on new build. We should start to see improvement on the R&R side now that people are more confident that the interest rate cuts finally will happen. Europe will take a little bit longer because they're all a bit later in the cycle. But I think overall market conditions and our performance in that market should permit us to get back to positive growth now in the second half of the year. Let's put it this way, that I would be very disappointed if we don't have positive organic growth again now in the second half of the year.
Very good. Thank you very much, Nick, and we look forward to speaking to you again after the Q3 report.
Thank you, Bjorn.